If you're looking for a composter to help make your garden great again, consider giving this EJWOX 43-gallon tumbling composter a spin. Stick around and I'll show you why. PickyDaddy.com. Hey, this is Rob again from PickyDaddy.com, where we review all the best stuff to waste your money on. Now, before we get into today's review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, which are scientifically unproven to raise your IQ by 50 points. So let's say you're not Alex Jones and you have no desire to eat your neighbors if you should happen to run out of meat.
I'll admit it. I will eat my neighbors.
Well, you might do what normal people do and start a garden like I have here. But getting the best vegetables takes more than just throwing down some random dirt and praying for rain. You need soil that is rich in nutrients, that can retain moisture and keep your plants from getting disease. And since the CDC has no recommendations for plants wearing face masks, you have to do everything you can to keep them healthy. Composting is a great way to naturally enrich your soil. Not only will it keep your plants healthy, but it will eliminate the need to use nasty chemicals and fertilizers. It also helps introduce important bacteria that helps break down organic material, which helps to enrich your soil even further. And not that I'm a hippie or anything, but it does help reduce waste and protect the environment. Yay! Okay, now that you're super excited about composting, your next question is probably, well, what kind should I get? Well, thankfully, the experts here at Picky Daddy have taken out all the guesswork for you. Okay, so we did a couple of Google searches, but still. So there are actually a few different kinds of composters. First, there's what's called stationary composters, which are basically just large bins that just kind of sit in one place. You keep adding food scraps and yard waste to, and eventually, over time, you will get some compost. It is a very slow process, however, but it's the kind of thing that people like where they can just dump it in one place, set it, and forget it. Now, this EJWOX 43-gallon tumbling composter that we're recommending here is what's called a batch composter, because it allows you to make compost in smaller batches, but the benefit is that you get compost a lot faster, usually within 4 to 8 weeks. As you can see, this EJWOX model is made of a very sturdy plastic. It's very easy to put together too. It takes about 45 minutes. All you do is attach these end pieces to the sides over here with the 8,000 screws that it comes with. Then you pop the legs together, there's an axle that goes through here, then you put it on here, and voila, you've got your very own Price is Right big wheel. Come on, door. Speaking of doors, you'll notice that the EJWOX has 2 of them, and this is what makes this batch composter really great, because while one side is cooking, you can start gathering materials for the other side, so that when the first side is done, then the next side is ready to go. We've already made one batch that I showed you earlier, and you can see we are starting to gather materials for the next one. So now you may be wondering, what should you put in your composter? A donut? Vintage 80s heavy metal concert t-shirt? Bills you have no intention of ever paying? Actually, you're going to want a good mix of brown and green organic material. Things like coffee grounds, banana peels, avocado skins, and yard waste that's disease-free, like this pine straw, this pine cone, and some leaves. You can put weeds in there, but you do have to make sure that they're not already seeding. Otherwise, when you go and actually put the compost down, you'll have a weed factory in your garden, which defeats the whole purpose, right? Now, once you've filled up one side, you're ready to start cooking. So close up the lid, give it about 5 to 10 turns every day, and in about 4 to 8 weeks, you'll have fresh compost that your garden will love. Now, this EJWOX model is really a great choice for both volume, it holds 43 gallons, and assembly. Like I said, it takes about 45 minutes. It's also got 4.5 stars on Amazon, and there's a link in the description so you can go check it out right now. So that's about it. Go get this EJWOX 43-gallon tumbling composter today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also check out our site at PickyDaddy.com, where we review even more stuff that we don't do videos for. But until then, this is Rob from PickyDaddy.com. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. PickyDaddy.com